Hello to all of our Wine Club subscribers and foodies that love to cook at home. Welcome to our winter collection. I'm Adam, the head chef at Glenardi Road, and today we're going to share a recipe for Cavatelli with Rapini, pork and smoked chili sausage. So the first step of our recipe will be to make the pasta dough. So you want to combine your semolina with your water in a mixing bowl and just mix it together. If you've made pasta dough before, you'll find it's quite a stiff, dry dough. Just be patient with it. Once it's sort of combined, turn it out on a bench and just keep on kneading it till it's nice and smooth and you get all that semolina. And then we want to put that in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. The next step, guys, is we're going to prepare our sausage mix. The spice mix for this sausage mix includes fennel seeds, smoked and dried chilies. We used ají blanca chilies from the farm. These are all just really lightly toasted off and then just ground in the mortar and pestle. Nutmeg, salt and fresh garlic. This seasoning mix is included in your delivery box. Try and get some good quality free-range pork. I'd recommend pork shoulder, has a good amount of fat through it. And next off, we're just going to combine our spice mix with our pork mince. Just mix it really well and just hold it in the fridge until we're ready to cook. It's time to roll our cavatelli. So we're going to take the dough out of the fridge and just flatten it out as much as we can with our hands. Really important just to keep a well dusted bench with the semolina, just so things don't stick. So we're going to cut our dough into sort of 6 to 8 strips. Again, just keep it well dusted. Then we're going to roll the dough out. It's important not to apply too much pressure, just sort of let the dough roll itself. And then we're going to cut it into sort of 1.5 to sort of 2 centimeter pieces. Roll them along the cavatelli board, just so it sort of rolls all over each other and you'll get like a semi-spiral piece. We're just going to put them on a tray and leave them to the side until we're ready to cook our pasta. So we're coming up to the final stage of our pasta where we're going to assemble everything. So we're going to prepare our rapini and just cutting it into nice sort of 3 or 4 centimeter pieces. We're going to quickly blanch it in hard boiling water for about 2 minutes, and then we're just going to refresh into some ice cold water. And then next up, we're just going to thinly slice our garlic and chili. And then next up, we're going to cook off our pork sausage mix, just in a nice hot pan with some olive oil. And we just want to cook that out until we render the fat out of the pork and get a nice golden crispy color. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. While we're doing this, we can have our water boiling to get ready for our pasta. So next off, we want to cook our pasta in really hard boiling water. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes, or the pasta will float to the surface when it's ready. Next off, we want to add our garlic and chili, glazed with a bit of white wine. Next off, we want to add our rapini. And then by this time, our pasta should be getting close to ready. And we just want to scoop that in. And we want to try and incorporate a small amount of the pasta cooking water as well. And we're going to add some butter and just toss this through really well. And the idea is that we want the pasta water to emulsify with that bit of butter. And then the pasta should be ready. And we're ready to go. And plate, and then put some finely grated parmesan and some basil with a bit of olive oil. Pour yourself a glass of Lagrange and enjoy. Thanks, guys.